Okay, let's build ourselves a reflecting pool. We'll get rid of our island here, our island example. And so we'll go to plan view to do that. And we will select, we'll go over to water features, pond. And we'll build a pond. Just a simple freeform pond, and as you can see, it comes with a bunch of rocks around the border, but you can also eliminate that border like that. And if you wanted to change the border, you could change the different rocks based on, you know, whatever local area rock is. My preference is to leave the border off and then create a small patio around it. Now with the pond, you'll notice that you can also change the depth of the pond with this tool right here. You can change the taper of the inside walls, and you can change the water level in here as well. There's a little toggle here for improved water quality. I like that because it shows you better reflections and so on, especially when it comes time to render video.